Hello Peachies! Welcome back to Dear Peachy. Lately, there's been a fascinating trend in the world of beauty, and it's all about drawing inspiration from food. We've seen blueberry milk nails, latte makeup, strawberry girl looks, and even makeup inspired by the delicious glaze on donuts. But now, there's a fresh sensation taking over the Chinese beauty scene. It's called the Maillard makeup. The term Maillard comes from a chemical reaction known as the Maillard reaction, where food undergoes browning due to the magical interplay of sugar and protein under the influence of heat. As you might have guessed, Maillard makeup is all about those warm, earthy tones, primarily in various shades of brown. It's like a cozy, retro autumn vibe for your face. This Maillard makeup trend has truly captivated beauty enthusiasts in China, and everyone is putting their own unique spin on it. Today, we're in for a treat as we feature a makeup guru from XiaoHongShu, Yu Fei, who will show us how she achieves this stunning look. Yu Fei is renowned for her incredible makeup skills and has amassed a following of over 100,000 fans on the app. So, get ready to be inspired as she takes us on a journey into the world of Maillard makeup. To kick things off, Yu Fei begins her makeup routine with some essential skin preparation. After going through an extraction process that left her skin a bit flaky and rashy, she uses a color-correcting primer that aims to even out her complexion but also moisturize her dry patches. A green-based primer is used in neutralizing those reddish undertones. Next up, the base. Yu Fei selects a cushion foundation shade that closely matches her natural skin tone. This helps in concealing any skin blemishes, such as those dark under-eye circles. Moving on to the contour. Yu Fei applies contour to specific areas, her nose tip and the region that connects her brow bone to the nose root. But here's a pro tip, she doesn't stop there. She takes that shadow higher, right up to the groove at her brow bone. It's all about creating a more pronounced structure for her eyes and nose. Then, set it with loose setting powder to create a matte finish look for your base. To achieve this captivating look, you need a brown, earthy eyeshadow palette. And this eye look complements warm blushes beautifully. Yu Fei's choice for this look is a light coral shade and a muted almond hue. First, she applies the mauve top shade all over her upper and lower eyelids as the base color. She blends the eyeshadow up to the region where you can feel the groove of your eye socket. Remember to blend out the edges to create that subtle natural look. Moving on, with a flat brush, apply the grayish taupe shade to your crease. This is to create that sultry depth and dimension. Don't forget to extend this to the lower lash line, but keep it to the outer region only as we aim for a softer smoky eye look. Now, grab a flat angled brush and pick up the black eyeshadow. Use it to delicately extend a subtle eyeliner from the outer corner of your eye. To intensify the shadow, focus on the lower outer lash region you've just worked on. Swipe the brush about 5 to 6 times to achieve that captivating depth. Take the light coral shade from your palette and gently brush it over the center of your cheeks. To create a harmonious look, extend the blush upwards, connecting it to your eyeshadow region. For that warm and cozy finish, apply a layer of the blush with the almond hue right at the center of your nose bridge. This little touch adds a touch of softness and warmth to your overall appearance. Be careful to not overblend the blush towards the lower region of your cheeks, as they may emphasize the smiling lines that can make us look tired. If you have accidentally extended your blush, you can highlight the grooves along the smiling lines with a matte highlighter. Add a little more blush to your nose tip and chin, and you can see this seamless blend ties the whole look together. To achieve those captivating, dramatic eyes, Yu Fei employs a brown liquid liner to draw in a few strokes, mimicking fake lower lashes. Switch to a black liquid liner. Extend the liner with a graceful wing, giving your eyes a natural lift. To make those curls stay longer, apply a coat of mascara primer. This keeps your lashes looking lush and curled. Now, let's add some shimmer and glow. Use a champagne shimmery highlighter. Apply it to the nose bridge and the tip of your nose. When applying the highlighter at the tip, do it in a horizontal manner to give it a better forward projecting effect. Switch to a beige shimmery highlighter and apply it to the inner corners of your eyes. This step brightens up your eyes and adds a touch of sparkle. Yu Fei skillfully fills them in by tracing strokes of brow hair. This technique creates a natural, full brow look. To give them that trendy boy brow appearance, brush on some brow gel. If you want to take it up a notch, consider adding faux freckles or beauty moles. Yu Fei was inspired by another beauty guru who taught that placing moles strategically in areas that appear dented can instantly lift and enhance those areas visually. Just remember, this trick won't work for smile lines. For the lips, Yu Fei goes for a warm red shade with brown undertones, a perfect choice for the fall season. If you want to soften the look, you can smudge the edges using a lip brush. And there you have it. The Maillard look is complete. She just looks incredibly stunning. Despite its unique name, it's remarkably similar to the classic brown soft smoky eye, a style we're all familiar with. The best part is that this look is incredibly versatile and suits anyone, regardless of their skin tone. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye!